can do anything you want. If you're prepared to work hard, put the time in, you can get there.
Geraldine Keogh was retired when her life took a sweet turn and the Dessert Ladies was born.
It started with chocolate platters.
The small family-run business in New Jersey specializes in personalized pastries and dessert tables that turn any gathering into a celebration.
It's all about bringing people together in a different way.
Lindsay Smith isn't only Geraldine's business partner, she's also her daughter.
The whole point of family gatherings is that everybody shares things together, whether it's buffet style or family style eating, and so rather than just having one centerpiece cake anymore, people are sharing by reaching across the table.
The Dessert Ladies launched their business in the midst of an economic recession in 2008. Geraldine applied for grants and a business certificate and never looked back.
That opportunity exists here for people. It really, really does. There's nobody telling you can't do it.
The Dessert Ladies' big break came in 2014 when they were selected to be the preferred dessert vendor for Super Bowl 48 after taking part in an intense 7-month tryout.
And I was like, I don't know if we can handle that. And she's like, we'll figure it out later. Like, we'll say yes and then we'll make it happen. It was a sleepless process on top of that.
Speaking of sleep, Geraldine doesn't get much of it. She averages about 4 to 5 hours a night.
My head is always buzzing and I have a notebook beside my bed. I have to write it down and then I'll get to it when I get up.
And the mother-daughter duo clearly feed off of each other's energy.
I knew you would be perfect for this. Oh. They want to do their whole wedding around a night in Paris. That's where they
Lindsay credits her mother's immigrant work ethic for their success.
She doesn't give herself enough credit in that she's always had this attitude, well, if you don't know how to do it and like there's nothing out there, just do it yourself then and we'll figure it out and we'll make it happen. We'll bootstrap it.
Every dessert is handcrafted.
Having great staff is so important to any small business. And you become like family. You really, really do. People say it all the time, but you do.
The Dessert Ladies say it's this kind of personal touch that gives them the advantage over the big box bakeries.
People still want the human connection. They want to go in and know that their event is as important to the person making the cake as it is to them.
PIX11 in your local